Imagine sitting in front of your exam paper, and your mind goes completely blank. Even though you spent nights studying, gave up every bit of fun, sacrificed your weekends, the result, average. Meanwhile, your friend who played games all week and only crammed the night before somehow ends up with the same grade. Feels like a scam, right? But listen, the problem isn't you. The problem is the stupid way you've been studying. In this video, I'll show you how to use only 20% of your time and still score top grades. It's not magic. It's not super intelligence. Just a few proven steps. Let's get started. 8. Ditch the sweets. Do you snack on candy and chocolate before exams, thinking it'll help you focus? Here's the truth. Sugar tricks you. It gives you a quick high, but then crashes your brain. Slower memory, less focus, and mental fog. Studies prove it. Too much sugar reduces your learning and reasoning ability. The fix? Easy. Nuts, fish, or berries. Those will actually power your brain and keep you sharp. 7. Change your mindset. You sit down to study and think, this is going to take forever. Guess what? It will. But if you decide, this will be quick, easy, I'll finish fast, your brain responds to that belief. Harvard even ran a study. Workers who believed their physical job was healthy actually saw real health improvements. Your brain follows your expectations. Change your mind. Change your results. 6. Use a timer. Unlimited time equals unlimited procrastination. But set a 30-minute timer, and suddenly your brain goes into full focus mode. That's called Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. So don't say, I'll study all day. Instead, I'll finish this chapter in 1 hour. You'll be shocked at how much faster you work. 5. Focus on the important. No time to study everything? Perfect. You don't need to. Target the 20% of topics that give you 80% of the results. That means summaries. What your teacher repeats the most. Past exams. Skip the useless details. Why master 100% of the book if only 20% shows up on the test? 4. Study the answers first. Stop drowning in endless pages. Start with the questions. Go through exercises, review answers, and understand exam patterns. Exams are not random. They repeat themselves. If you know the answers, you know the game. 3. Face your weaknesses. We all have that one subject we hate. The one we keep avoiding. But here's the thing. That's exactly what will crush you in the exam. Stop polishing what you already know. Face your weak points. Fix the gaps, and suddenly the whole subject makes sense. 2. Use AI tools. Why waste time buried in notes? AI tools like ChatGPT can summarize your content, explain tough concepts, generate test questions, build study plans. It's like having a personal study assistant that cuts your workload in half. 1. Review your mistakes. Nothing is smarter than learning from your mistakes. Keep a notebook or file with every mistake you make. Before the exam, review them. That's the fastest way to make sure you never repeat the same dumb errors twice. If you try these steps, you'll never go back to your old study habits. You'll save time, boost your grades, and finally, stop wasting your weekends. Now ask yourself, are you ready to study smart instead of studying dumb? If you found these tips helpful, the best is yet to come. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next study secret.